Marldon MXA200 is available in two different formats. We've got the traditional approach, which is straight from the bucket, as you'll see on many other adhesives within the market, or we also have the adhesive encased within a foil bag inside the unit itself. The foil bag format is a bit of a different, lesser known approach, so we're going to have a run through of how best to first prep the bag and then apply the adhesive. So I've got a tub of our MXA200 adhesive here, just to do a quick demonstration of the best way to prepare the foil bag. So inside the bucket, find a foil bag. And lift that foil bag out of the bucket, you'll see it's actually a square bag the adhesive is contained into. Of course, it just settles down the bottom of the bag. So what we do is grab the adhesive, sort of creating a neck at the top of the bag. So rotate it slightly, that'll just compress all the adhesive into the bottom of the bag there. So you're containing that in there. Good thing about this, it also gives you a handle. Inside the bucket, I find a tie wrap. So keeping that pressure and the twist on the neck of the bag. Apply the tie wrap, make sure that pressure's still on there. Tighten that right up. See now, when you let go of that, it gives you a handle to work with. So easy application that way. Of course, I need to create a hole in the bottom of the bag to let the adhesive flow out from. I recommend only a small hole in the bottom, just a little X in the base of the unit, just allows it to flow out at a more controlled rate. That's all that's needed. Of course, if the adhesive's been in the van over the night, which we don't recommend, it's going to be a little bit thicker, a bit colder, it won't flow out quite as well. That's all you need, the size of the bag there. You'll see now when you lift the adhesive up, obviously you've got to work quickly as it will start to flow out the base of the bag. A little bit of pressure on the side of the bag, you see the adhesive come out. Keep that pressure on, see how easy it is, hands are clean. When you stop, of course, a little bit more pressure will allow more adhesive to flow out. Once you stop, you drip there. The unit can be placed out of the way, no mess. I do recommend a 4mm notch trowel. This keeps you in line with the coverage we recommend for this product. So 117 kilo unit, we recommend around 15 metres squared per unit. So spreading the product out. So simple as that, and of course now the flooring can be laid straight into the wet adhesive. Get around about 15-20 minutes working time, which is plenty of time to work with this adhesive. So you don't want to trowel out too much, of course, work in small areas. If you're using the strata, Marldon strata underlay, we do recommend it's a double bonded method to get the best out of that product in terms of performance. So simply place the adhesive down, the strata underlay, the same adhesive is used for both bonding the strata to the subfloor and then the timber to the surface of the strata once all the adhesive is cured and dry.